Kevin, I'm here with Yankee in the marketplace in Monsey. What is something that grabs my attention right now is that big, huge screen over there. And that is exactly what Yankee puts up in places. Yankee, that is insane what you put up there. So let me hear from dich. How did you start this and how did you get into this and how's it going?
So I'm in the sign business for a long time and I always found these big signs magnificent. And I figured, let me do some of my own. The first one I started was years ago, but now in the past few months we expanded and we focused on stuff that is really unique for the Heimische community. This is the first of its kind for the Heimische Oilem.
First of its kind. So go ahead and give a shout out to this marketplace mall.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous mall.
Stunning mall, gorgeous mall. And Yankee, you're the guy who finds a strategic place in the mall to put up those signs.
Yes, that's Sababa. It's all about strategic placement.
So you have that creativity. You know where to put up the signs.
Yes.
And you put up that sign
that's
going to
what
attract.
we try to do.
So we came out here early morning, so we don't want to get people in the video, so this mall is still empty. But during the day, everybody knows this mall is packed.
Yes, it's packed. Sometimes you can't move here. With carriages,
that's insane. So you put it up at the location right down the hallway so you see it from the other side.
See it from the other side. So this one here is a 6 by 20.
6 by 20.
20 feet wide, 6 feet high.
Sick.
And it's extremely clear. And the benefits from this one is that it really engages with the audience. You have people coming up taking selfies. They wait till the ad comes around and they take a selfie, send it around.
It's so
a
cool.
really beautiful piece.
It's a gorgeous piece, and the clarity, it is so clear, so beautiful. It's like, wow, you're living in it. How many people do you average get on the screen a day?
You mean advertising?
No. How many people look at this a day?
I would have to ask them all, but it's weekly, it's a couple of thousand.
I want to challenge you, all right? If you could put an AI device camera in the screen, that could kind of capture how many people look at it. I'm sure there's such a thing today's days.
There is.
There is?
There is, yeah.
That's it. Can you imagine get every night?
I actually had a company reach out to me that they offered me to do it.
Really?
Yeah.
So imagine you get every night like a text message. You had today 3,800 people looking at your screen.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I mean, a lot more probably. A couple of, the numbers go up over there. People walking down this. So Yankee, basically what you do is you put up in strategic places throughout the whole entire upstate area.
Yeah, we mainly focus on Rockland. Like we're really expanding now on Rockland, and we have a total of 6 now on Rockland. And it's again strategically placed. And we have 3 in Monsey, 1 in Spring Valley, 2 in Pomona, which kind of covers the entire Yiddish community, like the hotspots of the Yiddish shopping areas.
So if somebody wants to get his ad seen by Eden, this is the way to do it. It's in the right place. It's crazy. Yep. I just wanted to get a picture of how big the screen is. This is Yankee. It's a huge screen.
Yeah.
I mean, it's giant. So the entrance to the mall is over there. This is the screen, and from all over you see this. This is crazy. And these screens, Yankee, are high-end screens, so the clarity.
Top of the line.
Top of the line. I mean, my brother makes Heimische videos, right? And not just kosher movies. Imagine you could technically put up a movie here. Put up, she is here.
Technically, the controller can even have audio.
This is crazy. I can make a game show here. You can do crazy stuff with the screen.
Well, that wasn't the objective. It's commercial advertising.
Commercial advertising, Kevin, for now. So, if you want to get your vision out to the community, this is the place. Digital ad space. I love it. I love it. And like you say, you can actually take selfies with the people here. It's so nice.
Okay, so now we're going to go to the other locations. The other ones are outdoors. Let's have a...
So these are indoors, the other ones are outdoors. Do you need strong ones for outdoors to beat the sun?
Yeah, it's a complete different type of
whole different type of vibe.
Much brighter. It gets dimmed down at night. High brightness during the day. The highest brightness, yeah.
So Kevin, let's check it out outdoors. Kevin, do Zamir, ba Evergreen. Look at this screen. Look at this screen. Unreal.
So this is the original billboard that was placed in Monsey. It happens to be, we started this one 12 years ago. It was just 2 billboards, both sides. But now this one has been upgraded as well. It's bigger, brighter.
It started off digital as well?
Digital 12 years ago.
Digital.
This was like a side thing for me. But now as we expanded, we upgraded this one also. This one is 10 by 20, double-sided, both sides.
10 by 20, look at that.
Yeah.
You see this from the whole entire road here.
We had to reinforce the structure, so still a little bit of construction going on the bottom, just to hold a bigger display.
It's just crazy. Look at this. So it's by the big Evergreen Mall in Town Square. So you get the full coverage from side of the people.
This place usually fills up.
This mall fills up.
The evening.
So you had the people from the parking lot. You had the people from the road, which is very
59 in 2025. 59 saw over 21,000 cars a day. The average per day, 21,000.
21,000 cars a day driving down the road. That means
just 59. And besides the pedestrians and the people that park here and all that, and there's a bus stop here too that goes to the city, park right here every morning.
The Oilem Zayde. So you're saying 21,000 cars drive by. Let's even say half the cars look up and actually watch.
No, some cars even see it twice, because when there's traffic here, when there usually is, I have had a customer say, I was waiting by the light and I saw my ad come up twice. So I'm probably the only guy that benefits from the traffic in Monsey.
You're the only. That's a good line. The guy who benefits from the traffic in Monsey. So you can get an average day 20,000 pupils. That's two pupils. So 40,000 pupils looking up at your ad over here. This is insane. So this is the outdoor location number 1.
Yep, and then the other side.
And you have the other side. Technically, it's two sides. It's
two separate things. Yeah.
Two separate things. What do people prefer? This side or the other side?
People prefer this side.
Why?
Yeah, because it's facing the shopping center, and you always have people walking here, walking out with shopping carts as they walk down to the parking lot. This is the busier side.
Very cool. Yep. What do you own these machines now?
It's capable, but you need some big speakers.
You need some
here.
big speakers to do some audio situations here.
Yeah, but the controller could have audio, yeah.
Very cool. Here's the other side. I'm sure you give people a better deal if they take both sides.
Yeah, so there's a package if you take both sides, yep.
This is
so
insane.
this is the busiest area in Muncie. The shopping center, the traffic is the busiest section of Muncie.
Can you imagine having all those eyes look up at your sign? This is crazy. I love it. Look at this. I'm thinking of buying this stuff. Rambo too, just seeing this ad. Come on. You see an ad here when you're sitting in traffic, it tempts you, you're on it. This is insane. So even the workers over here, what do you say to the ad over there? You want to buy that house? Oh, we missed that ad. We'll have to wait for the next time. Everybody who walks by here is just interested. This is super cool.
So we only covered 3 of the 6 billboards that we have around Muncie. The other one is a little bit further up the road. It's a new shopping center. It has an office building next to it.
That one over there, what's it called?
Sukasa.
Sukasa, my
Yeah,
Sukasa.
yeah,
That's a nice billboard there.
And then the office building is almost done. There's like 20 stores there. I think over 60 apartments, everything in one place. And then the big office building, the 5-story office building, that's almost
massive,
done.
right.
So we have a vertical billboard, same size as this, but a vertical one.
I like that, it's cool.
And then we have in Pomona, the same like this, double-sided in front of the Evergreen in Pomona.
So you have 6 around Muncie.
Yeah, and Pomona is very unique because it's very hard to get to the Pomona side of town. Here, you can hang banners, you can put in stake signs, but in Pomona, it's a nicer neighborhood, that area. You can't just hang up stuff. You got to put it on the billboard.
That's
and
it.
everyone comes to that shopping center. It's the shopping center to go to.
So
yeah, well, obviously we can't travel around all over.
But this is your choice.
And then we also have over 25 screens indoors in a lot of stores, like 7 different groceries, 15 different locations around Muncie. But these are inside stores, smaller ones, like traditional TVs, like 55, 65-inch TV screens. We have that also.
And I'm sure you have packages that people want to take.
Yes.
More than one screen, more packages, bigger packages.
The bottom line is Rockland County, we have it fully covered.
You have it covered. Reach out to Yankee Rosenberg. Again, the phone number is 888-401-6331. Go to sababadisplays.com, see all your packages, and get your name out there. Thank you, Yankee.